Don't stop!
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore how you can create cinematic Hollywood-style videos using just a text prompt. For this, we'll be using an all-in-one AI tool called OpenArt AI. Today, we'll specifically use its director mode, which can direct your entire video creation process. You simply chat with AI, and it transforms your ideas into complete cinematic videos. The link is available in the video description. Once you click the link and create your account, you'll be taken to a dashboard like this. Here, you'll find director mode along with the prompt bar at the top, where you can describe the type of video you want to create. You can generate drama videos, storytelling videos, action-themed content, advertisements, and much more. Let's start with our first example. I want to create a cinematic video of a young man competing in a running race inside a massive stadium. I'll enter my detailed prompt and click the Generate button. The platform will first ask you to choose the aspect ratio, followed by the video quality and duration. Once you've selected these options, it will begin processing your request and generate a detailed summary of your video. Next, it will display a storyboard. If everything looks good, simply click the Looks Good button. If needed, you can also edit the storyboard before continuing. After that, OpenArt AI will continue processing by building the production plan and preparing the runner's story plan. Wait patiently while it generates the character images. Once the character images are ready, you can preview them and click the Looks Good button again to continue. Now, the platform will generate the voice, background music, and individual video clips. Once all the clips are ready, it will automatically combine them into a complete cinematic video. Our video is now ready. Let's play the final result. As you can see, the character consistency is excellent and the overall video quality is very impressive. Everything looks smooth and professional. This is the power of OpenArt AI. But that's not all. This time, let's create an advertisement video. For this example, I want to generate a luxury watch commercial. Again, the platform will ask you to select the aspect ratio, duration, and video quality. Once you've selected your preferences, it will begin processing and generate the characters. After the characters are created, it will complete the entire video generation process. Once everything is finished, let's play the final result.
Precision and presence, Aurelus.
As you can see, creating professional advertisement videos is incredibly simple. You can also create horror videos, drama videos, and even action-based stories. For my final example, I want to generate an action scene featuring a soldier wearing military combat gear as he runs through a city devastated by explosions. I'll enter the detailed prompt and click the Generate button. The platform will begin processing the request. First, it will generate the story script, then create the character, and finally produce the complete cinematic video. After a short wait, our video is ready.
Stay down! With me!
As you can see, it's incredibly easy to create high-quality, Hollywood-style videos with strong character consistency using OpenArt AI. If you'd like to try it yourself, the link is available in the video description. Be sure to check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.